A classic Ford, rare Mopars, and a Thunderbird Convertible. These 15 classic cars could be your next hidden gem. Welcome back. Today we're checking out 15 classic cars for sale, ranging from affordable restoration projects to running vintage cruisers. We've got everything from Ford Thunderbirds and Galaxies to classic Plymouth Furys, Oldsmobiles, Volkswagens, and Dodge Darts. Some need serious work, while others are ready to hit the road. Let's check them out. Car number 1, 1966 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, $7,000. Starting with this 1966 Ford Thunderbird Convertible in Marion, Indiana. It's powered by a 390 V8 and comes with air conditioning, power steering, electric windows, and an electric soft top. The convertible top has a bracket that has come loose, and the car needs restoration overall. Still, this is a big, stylish 1960s luxury cruiser with plenty of potential for someone ready to bring it back. Car number 2. $1962 Plymouth Fury, $2,500. Next is this 1962 Plymouth Fury in Roanoke, Virginia. This is a two-owner car with its original 318 V8 drivetrain and the classic Mopar push-button automatic transmission. It has been rewired with a modern painless wiring system and runs and drives well. The main issue appears when the car gets hot and shifts into third gear, although it remains drivable. At $2,500, this is an affordable and unusual early 60s Mopar project. Car number 3.
It's still kind of cold, so the RPM will come up as it warms up a little more.
$1962 Plymouth Fury, $8,000. Here's another 1962 Plymouth Fury, this one in Bainbridge, Indiana, with a much more powerful setup. Originally a 361 four-barrel car, it now has a 440 V8, while the original engine is included. It also has a push-button automatic, an 8 3/4 rear end, new brakes with front discs, new tires, and new dual exhaust. It runs and drives, but the seller is honest about rusty quarters, patched floors, sloppy steering, and other quirks. A rough-around-the-edges classic Mopar with serious potential. Car number 4, 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 Convertible, $8,500. This 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 Convertible in Kenvilleville, Indiana, has a rebuilt 390 V8 and rebuilt transmission, with only around 2,000 miles since the rebuild. The seller says it runs and drives nicely, with solid floors and trunk. It does need a new convertible top and driver's door glass, and it isn't perfect after sitting for years. But with dual exhaust and a strong rebuilt drivetrain, this looks like a classic you could drive now and restore over time.
Car number 5. 1968 Ford Galaxy 500, $6,000. And finally, this 1968 Ford Galaxy 500 in Germantown, Ohio. It has a 302 V8, automatic transmission, and a working convertible top. The seller says it needs some work, but is currently drivable exactly as it sits. With its big, late 60s Ford styling and open-top design, this could be an interesting project for someone who wants a class convertible they can enjoy while improving.
Car number 6.
1965 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, $4,500. Starting with this 1965 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 in Richmond, Illinois. This two-door coupe has been with the same owner since 1985 and is still powered by its original 425 cubic inch V8 and TH400 automatic transmission. The engine runs well, holds steady oil pressure, and the seller reports no smoke. However, it needs a trailer. Old tires and a brake line issue make it unsafe to drive. The car also comes with extra sheet metal and Starfire interior parts, making this a serious restoration package. Car number 7. $1969 Mercury Montego, $9,000. Next is this 1969 Mercury Montego two-door hardtop in Adrian, Michigan. Originally a Florida car, it has a clean body and undercarriage, a 302 V8, automatic transmission, and air conditioning. The seller notes a dent in the driver's front fender, spongy brakes, exhaust work needed, and a missing headliner. But a complete set of new front-end rebuild parts is included. A very original-looking classic with a solid foundation.
Car number 8, 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, $6,975. Here's an honest, largely untouched 1963 Volkswagen Beetle in Ephrata, Pennsylvania. The seller says they have records dating back to new ownership, and the engine was rebuilt by the second owner. It runs and drives and comes with an extra rebuilt transaxle. It does need heat channel and floor repairs, but it has recent tires and a clean title. For someone who values originality and documentation, this could be a very interesting Beetle project. Car number 9, 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $8,000. This 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe in Flossmoor, Illinois, is described as an all-original classic with a completely rebuilt engine. The seller says it still runs like a charm and has a video documenting the engine rebuild process. With a clean title and an asking price of $8,000 OBO, this is a classic personal luxury car that could appeal to someone looking for an original-style Thunderbird rather than a heavily modified project. Car number 10. 1959 Ford Custom 300, $6,995. And finally, this 1959 Ford Custom 300 in Mequon, Wisconsin. It's a two-door, powered by a 292 V8 with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The odometer shows 43,000 miles, although the actual mileage can't be confirmed. The seller says it runs great, and recent improvements include tires, shocks, carpet, insulation, floor pans, and front supports. With a clean title and a restored-looking interior, this is one of the more usable vintage Fords in the group. Car number 11, 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, $6,500. Starting with this 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 in West Union, Illinois. This blue and black classic is described as an all-original two-owner car that runs and drives great. The seller says both the engine and transmission have been refreshed, giving this Galaxy a solid mechanical advantage. With a clean title and only around 20,000 miles listed, this looks like a straightforward vintage Ford for someone who wants originality without starting a major restoration. Car number 12, 1950 Dodge Meadowbrook Fluid Drive, $6,450. Next is this interesting 1950 Dodge Meadowbrook in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. It's powered by a 230 flathead inline-six and features Dodge's unusual fluid drive system paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The car runs and drives with 36,460 miles showing on the odometer. The body is described as mostly straight, although the older paint has scratches and some visible rust. Inside, the original-style wood-grain dash remains, while the interior will eventually need restoration.
Car number 13, 1951 Ford Custom Tudor, $4,500. Here's a 1951 Ford Custom Tudor in Canal Fulton, Ohio. This solid old Ford runs and drives and is powered by a flathead V8 that has been upgraded with electronic ignition. Recent work includes new wheels and tires, a new radiator, fan and water pumps, a rebuilt generator, and updated wiring. It also has a 3-speed manual on the column. With mostly new glass and plenty of mechanical work completed, this looks like a usable post-war Ford at an affordable price. Car number 14, 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2, $6,500. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2 4-door in Henrico, Virginia, is a simple and practical classic, powered by a 250 inline-6 and a Powerglide automatic transmission. The seller says it runs well and has received plenty of recent maintenance, including a rebuilt carburetor, new wheel cylinders, brake lines, spark plugs, distributor components, and a new battery. It may not be a flashy muscle car, but it looks like an honest vintage cruiser with important mechanical work already completed. Car number 15, 1964 Dodge Dart 170 sedan, $6,000. And finally, this 1964 Dodge Dart 170 sedan in Muncie, Pennsylvania. It's powered by the famous 170 Slant 6 and has a rebuilt A904 TorqueFlite automatic transmission. One of its coolest features is the classic push-button gear selector. The seller says this Dart is turnkey, everything works, and it needs nothing more than gas to run and drive. With 93,000 miles showing and plenty of new parts and upgrades, this could be one of the easiest classics in this group to simply get in and enjoy.
So, which one would you take home? Would you choose the 1966 Thunderbird Convertible, one of the 1962 Plymouth Furys, or the unique 1950 Dodge Meadowbrook Fluid Drive? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering classic cars for sale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for the next video.